Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 4309 Lake Road in historic Pultneyville.
This is an enchanted cottage-style Lake Ontario home with million-dollar views.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour.
Welcome your family and lake friends to Tanglewood Cottage. With this charming house and garden entrance and conservatory.
Enjoy entertaining in this waterfront great room with immediate lake views. Featuring a library area or dining area with beautiful built-ins and moldings. Open to the living area with a stunning stone gas fireplace with built-ins. And an adjacent vintage white and bright kitchen and powder room. All with French doors opening to the hallmark of this home, a gorgeous sunroom with a wall of windows and panoramic lake views that will take your breath away. While the finished lower level provides great additional space for games, storage, and has convenient Bilco doors.
The second floor of this cozy cottage features 3 bedrooms and a bath with a laundry. Plus a balcony overlook to take in those elevated lake views. This historic lake property has significant architectural detailing, along with beautiful landscaping, including hostas, rhododendrons, and other flowering plants. Make this a beautiful lake paradise.
Imagine living the relaxing lake lifestyle with 56 feet of protected waterfront with a concrete break wall, a lookout area, and get this, a custom-built swinging dock, all with those breathtaking lake views.
Historic Pultneyville is a special waterfront community. It has great architecture, restaurants, and shopping. It is a great place to enjoy village waterfront life.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 4309 Lake Road in Pultneyville.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!